Want to see someone systematically disprove everything you have read about trading stocks and expose how and why you will consistently lose money if you aren't doing it right? Click the link in the description to check it out for yourself. But now for today's video.
The question, is technical analysis a must for trading in stocks? Answer by Untitled Chapter. Yes, technical analysis is required for stock market analysis. Technical analysis is based on the assumption that all information that can affect the performance of a stock, company fundamentals, economic factors and market sentiments, is reflected already in its stock prices. Accordingly, technical analysts do not care to analyze the fundamentals of the business. Instead, the approach is to forecast the direction of prices through the study of patterns in historical market data, price and volume. Technicians, sometimes called chartists, believe that market activity will generate indicators and price trends that can be used to forecast the direction and magnitude of stock price movements in future. There are three essential elements in understanding price behavior. 1. The history of past prices provides indications of the underlying trend in its direction. 2. The volume of trading that accompanies price movements provides important inputs on the underlying strength of the trend. 3. The time span over which price and volume are observed factors in the impact of long-term factors that influence prices over a period of time. If charts and technical patterns interest you, it seems that you are drawn towards technical analysis. So if you are new to this field, here are a few guidelines you can follow to build your base in technical analysis. 1. Read good books. Start with good books on technical analysis like A. Reminiscences of a Stock Operator, by Edwin Lefebvre. B. Trading for a Living, by Alexander Elder. C. Technical Analysis of the Financial Markets, by John J. Murphy. D. Japanese Candlestick Charting Techniques, by Steve Nissen. E. Encyclopedia of Chart Patterns, by Thomas Bulkowski. 2. Learn technical analysis. If you are willing to learn technical analysis from very basic, you can take up technical analysis course certified by NSE Academy. Moreover, you can also go through the study material or videos in Google to develop an understanding of technical analysis. 3. Read articles and blogs. You can regularly go through good blogs or articles or videos like A. Stock Charts. B. Trade Academy. C. Illion-Markets.com. D. Trading with Rainer. You can also watch videos on technical analysis here. 4. Virtual trading is important. Paper trading is a good way to track your performance and understanding on the subject. Moreover, you can use NSE Pathshala for virtual trading. This process is very important before entering into the actual trade in the market. 5. Market psychology. Psychology plays a very important role in trading, just like in a game of chess or in athletics. As a trader progresses from novice to expert, the understanding of both individual and crowd psychology becomes extremely relevant to become a successful trader. Apart from gaining the basic knowledge like chart patterns, risk management, market structure etc., with the market becoming extremely competitive day by day, traders are facing a lot of challenges which are sure to test their skills and limit of their psychologies. 6. Follow good traders. Start following good traders in the world. Read about them, their trading strategies, their books, etc., and it will surely benefit you in your trading career in the long run. Some of the well-known names in the industry are as follow. A. Paul Tudor Jones. B. Jack Swagger. C. Alexander Elder. D. Martin J. Prane. E. John J. Murphy. 7. Opt for professional degree. You can opt for CMT course, to gain specialization and detailed knowledge on technical analysis. Answer by Ashok Kumar N. Rao. It's a bold and straightforward question. I would like to first address the question, is analysis required for the stock market, and then is technical analysis required for the stock market? What is analysis? Google defines analysis as detailed examination of the elements or structure of something. Why is analysis required in real world? To know the goods and bads of any product, person or place which may give us the warmth to push it to the safe for us container/zone. Can we as common Homo sapiens do all the analysis? We are all equipped with different skill for ourselves. Not even a beggar is not exempt from having a skill. His skill is to make you empathize him/her and pay them. But as always, We are not equipped with all the knowledge required to do all the analysis and all the equipments to do the required analysis. So we rely on things like thermometer to analyze if someone has temperature. We rely on microwave to show us our food is hot enough for us. We rely on watch to tell us how much time is wasted / well used per day. Pun intended. So, to cut the long story short, we require analysis to give us an idea of throwing it to the right or wrong container. Same way, is analysis required for stock markets? Yes. We need analysis of each company's stock price movement on basis of certain parameters of the company's balance sheets, finance, order books and cash holding, etc. to understand if the company's share / stock worth investing or buying. This is with respect to financial analysis. Are we equipped with all the data required for analysis? We are not. Rather, I'd mention we do not have all the time to do all the research required for the analysis required. We only have 24 hours in a day. Now, is technical analysis required for stock markets? As mentioned in the previous answer, technical analysis is required to find the future movement level of the market. Will AC change the temperature to the set temperature instantly? No. It has to turn on the fan / heater / cooler in order to set it to the set temperature. It takes help of sensors to analyze the temperature and compare the current temperature constantly to reach to the level. That way analysis is everywhere, in every task we do. The same way technical analysis is a way of analyzing the market with certain indicators to predict the stock market's movement to a certain level. It's very much required for fast trades on a daily basis to trade in futures and options in the markets. Now, let's answer another key question, maybe why you asked this question. Is technical analysis mandatorily required in stock markets to make money? No. People can make money buying IPOs in the market by doing no technical analysis and buying some hyped share launch. So it's not mandatory to learn technical analysis to make money in the stock markets and still survive a decent income from stock market. I hope that answers the question. Happy trading. Happy money making with technical analysis. Learn to trade with technical analysis and make 1,500 daily trading options. Answer by Ankit Srivastava. Imagine you want to go home and call a cab. The cab arrives but with two drivers and a choice with whom would you like to travel. Both the drivers are decently dressed and experienced, but one of them is blindfolded. The driver without blindfolds has a history of some minor accidents in the past. The driver with blindfold has never had an accident in his entire career. Whom would you choose to travel with? Who, according to you, is a safer driver? While you cannot trust a blindfolded driver even if he has a strong past record, the driver without blindfolds looks a bit risky to travel with, based on his history. Technical analysis is similar to these two drivers. While the past price movements do not guarantee future returns, it is still better than investing with your eyes closed. Hope my answer was helpful. For more, please visit InfoMoney.